Hi there, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get more winning trades and how to make losses short. So in this video, we'll talk about the psychological factor, the mindset factor, because moreover, if you use any strategy, you take any strategy and you give it to 10 people with the same strategy, same risk reward, you will find that out of 10 traders, each one will have a different result. Some will be winning that strategy, they'll make a lot of profit, and some will be losing money with the same strategy used by the same traders, same set of traders. Okay, so it is always the mindset comes first and then the strategy. So I would like to tell that as a winning trader, and what is the difference between a good trader and a profitable trader and a bad trader? It's actually 80% is a mindset. 80% is mindset and 20% is strategy. So this is very important. First, you have to uh, you know have a come to a conclusion that okay, mindset is also very important because if the same strategy is used by all the traders, then everybody can make money. A lot of influencers, lot of good traders, they share their strategy, but even though many people learn the strategy, the students, they are not able to make money as the teacher or as the trader influencer or anybody who is good at trading. Okay, so we have to develop a right mindset to have a good trading career or to make a lot of profits in trading. So in this part, how do we get more winners and how do we reduce our losses? So this is very, very important topic to be discussed and to know more about. Okay, first is no matter what strategy you apply or no matter what is your decision making process to make a trade, to enter a trade or to exit a trade, where to book profits or where to book losses or when to enter a trade. Okay, the time in and time out is very, very important. So if you are able to make that decision in the right way, you will make a lot of profits. Okay, but just because the strategy or the indicator gave you a signal to buy and to sell, and if you follow that, you will never be able to uh, have better good trading career, because if you allow the indicator, the strategy to decide whether you should go enter a trade or not, that's a very you're completely dependent on the strategy. But what if I tell you that, instead of an indicator telling you what to do, what not to do, or a strategy telling you what to do, what not to do, why not you decide whether you be the indicator? Okay, so basically, what I'm telling to follow is you be the indicator first. Okay, whether today I'm going to trade or not, or today I am, whether I will get a profitable trade or not, or today I am going to go only buy trade, or today I am going to trade only for 2 hours, or today I am only going to trade gold, silver, or one or two pairs. Okay, you decide first. Okay, so then you come up with a strategy whether with your decision the strategy is matching it or not. Okay, so first you take a call. You be the indicator. Okay, first you be the indicator. Then let the market suggest you whether you have the opportunity or not. Okay, so you be the indicator first. You make a decision. Okay, today I'm going to trade only 1 hour, 2 hour, or one trade, two trade, or this particular stock or this particular pair commodity. instrument, whatever it is. Okay. So first you be the indicator, and then find a strategy, find an indicator which helps you to come up with a profitable trade. Okay, so first you believe. So first you have to believe. Once you see the charts, okay, the chart may go up, down, or sideways. These are the things which usually market does. Either it is going upward trend or downward trend, or it is a sideways, no movement trend. So if you believe for XYZ reason, and if your belief is very strong, okay, that it's since market is a probability thing, you need to have a thought pattern or an idea, like what exactly market might do today. Okay, so if you believe, okay, because of XYZ reason, that reason could be a fundamental or a technical reason. If you believe that the market is going to be a bullish market, or if you decide the market is going to be a bearish, it is going for a downward trend, then you find a strategy or an indicator or the technical analysis to go for a downward short sell. Okay, based on your strategy or indicator, but you have to have a strong belief. Okay, this is first very important. You try to be the indicator first, and then let the market follow your thought pattern. Okay, so if the market is you are telling that the market will go down, but the market is going up, so it is very good. You are not going in and you are saving your money. But when you are telling the market will go down today, and as per your strategy or indicator, it is showing you that it is going down, then your belief will become stronger. And because your belief is going to become stronger, your trade decision will become stronger, and the chances of making money will be higher, or at least you will find a good trade. So you have a belief whether so you have to first believe. One second. Believing is seeing. Okay, once you believe strongly that the market will go down, okay, and you have a SL area, the stop loss area, and a take profit area. You think that okay, the market will move this many points down, and it might hit the previous day low or weekly low, or somewhere the candle low, somewhere wherever you think the market will go down. Okay, now if the belief is getting stronger and stronger for a few minutes, and somehow you're very you're totally convinced about the idea that it will go down for XYZ reason, and as the time goes forward, the market is also doing as you wanted it to do, then definitely there is a high chances that your probability of sensing the market is very high, and it may go down as you predicted or as you expected. Okay, uh, but if you see, okay, let the market go down first. Okay, if I see market go down, then I will believe that okay, this strategy is right. Okay, this is giving your power to the market and to the strategy or the indicator. You're going opposite side. Okay, when you tell that okay, let the market go down first, and let the strategy or indicator tell me that it is that I will make profit in selling, then I will believe that okay, it will go down, and I may make a profit. Okay, so you are giving uh, your power to the market. Okay, so you are telling that okay, I don't know where it will go, but because I don't have a strong fundamental or technical analysis, So let the market tell me where it will go, and wherever it goes, I will follow the market and I will make profit. Okay. So let the market shows where it wants to go. Okay. So you're not believing in your strategy, your indicator, or your own mindset for that matter, and you're telling, okay, let market show me where it wants to go and let me catch that. Okay. Now, what happens in this analysis or in this idea is, this thought pattern is, you are giving power to the market. Okay. Telling that, okay, I don't know where it will go, and I may assume, or I think I may make a profit today. Okay, if the market shows me a big red candle or downward candle, I will go sell, and if the market is going upward, then I will go buy. Okay, so what happens in this scenario is, you're also willing to go left and you're also willing to go right. Okay, but what if the market goes sideways on that day? Or what happens if the market goes a nice uptrend and a nice downtrend? So you will make losses in both the scenarios. Okay, because you're not strong on your you don't have a strong belief that market will do this thing. So you will not have a strong a conviction, or a strong decision to hold on your trade, to wait for your setup. Okay, so you say, let the market show me what to do and then I will do. You're giving power to the market. But when I tell you that, okay, you first believe on your technical analysis or fundamental analysis, uh, you know or whatever strategy you apply, you believe in that. And then if the market does the same thing, when whatever you tell the market, okay, and the market does, you decide the market. Okay. Okay, you guide the market. So this is a right word. So you guide the market to go down because you have a setup which tells, if if a swing is if swing low is broke, then I will go sell. Now if the market does the same thing, whatever you are telling, then the probability of winning is higher, because you are not giving power to the market, but the market is doing what you are saying. Okay, so as you expected, the market is doing. So if you believe on some strategy, some indicator, and before entering the trade, and if your belief is getting stronger and stronger and more stronger, and very high, a strong belief you have on any particular trading day, and you're expecting the market to do such thing, and when the market does and it follows whatever you're saying, then definitely the chances of profit are very high. Okay, so first you believe on any strategy or any indicator, you have a strong belief in something, and then if the market follows your order, the market follows what exactly uh, you're telling, then the chances of profits are very high. Okay. uh, so market following you, this is what we want. Okay, or you follow the market. So this is very mindset based thought patterns and ideas. Okay, if you believe strongly on some an idea of market going down and the market follows you, the chances are higher that you will make profit. Chances are higher. Okay, but what if you follow the market? Wherever the market goes, you keep following the market, then you are really don't know like what you're going to do. Whether you're going buy, sell, where is your stop loss, where is your take profit, you have no idea. You're going like a circle. There is no end to it. Okay, so the chances of winning the market or taking profits are lower because you know you don't have a strong idea or a strong strategy or a strong an indicator which you believe in that will make profit. So since your believing is not strong, you think that the market will definitely hit your stop losses. It will hit your stop losses. Okay. So if your belief is once you take a trade, any trade by yourself, once you take a trade and you think my SL will hit, and that's what will happen in many scenarios. Okay, because your belief in the market is so unfavored, it is market is compromised, market is run by institutional people, market is being manipulated. Your ideas on such thing, uh, you know it is market is doing wrong, it is hitting the retail traders, or all these ideas, all these thoughts, negative thoughts. What will happen is, no matter how good trader you are, you might have followed the right strategy, you have followed all the rules, but still the SL will hit. Okay, but if you have a belief that all my traders, all my trades will be a winner. Okay, or most of my trades are winning trades. If you have a belief that, a strong belief that most of my trades will be a winning trade, or once you enter a trade, once you take a trade, you develop a positive mindset about the market and about yourself, that okay, today is a good day, I'm feeling positive, and let's take a trade, and let's believe that my take profits will hit. Okay, so you're coming with a different mindset or a positive mindset on a particular day. Okay, so then what happens is, there are higher chances that your take profit will hit before the stop losses. Okay, because you have developed yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, you have developed a positive mindset about the market and yourself. So there are two people involved. One is the market and the other is the yourself, the trader. So if you as you think good about the market will give you a good profitable trade. But if you think bad about the market will reflect what you think, like a mirror. Okay, in the mirror, if you think you are beautiful, okay, definitely you will feel beautiful. Okay, you will feel good about yourself. But in the mirror, you see yourself as ugly. You're ugly. Okay, if you think you're ugly, then your self confidence goes down. You don't feel good about yourself. You feel like you're not beautiful. You have some you're not impressive, and you're not good looking. Those kind of thought patterns will come into your mind. Okay, like a mirror, because here the mirror is just a reflection of your thoughts. If you think good about yourself, you will see in that mirror. Okay, And if you think bad about yourself, the mirror will show you the same thing. So if you keep changing mirror, and if you don't change your mindset, nothing will change. Okay, you may buy a costly mirror, a different mirror, any kind of mirror. Okay, but still, if you don't change the mindset, you will only see yourself as ugly or not good looking. Similarly, in order to make profit, a good profit in the market, in the stock market, replace the mirror as market. Okay. So when you enter a market, you think bad about the market. You are fixed. Uh, you are manipulating. You know, you are bad. So you keep scolding the market for XYZ reason, or maybe because of your past experience. Your past experience is not good with the stock market. So if you continue to blame and give negative thought patterns to the market, it will keep reflecting the bad experiences in the present as well as in the future. Okay, just like a mirror, the market will reflect what is that you're thinking. If you think the market is bad, it will suck all your money, it will give you more losses. Then just like the mirror, it will reflect. But if you start developing a good mindset, okay, so if you start develop a good mindset about the stock market, slow and steadily you will have a uh, better performance in upcoming time. Okay, slow, it happens slow and steadily. You cannot change the results overnight. Okay, so you develop a good mindset about the stock market. Okay, like for example, remembering your uh, profitable trades. Okay, celebrating your good trades, and stop thinking about your losing trades. Okay, losses are a part of the stock market. This thing, you cannot be 100% winner. But if you start celebrating your good trades, remembering your more profitable trades, then slow and steadily you will develop a positive mindset about the market. Okay, so when you change your uh, ideas on stock market, you develop a positive mindset about the stock market, then slow and steadily you will have a better version of yourself as a trader. You will start making good profits in the market. So there are a lot of techniques also which we can develop. There are a lot of techniques available, mind techniques. Okay, to develop a positive mindset that we can that I will share in the upcoming videos. So thank you so much for listening to the this lecture. Thank you so much.